Hi nail friends, and welcome back to another episode of Mani Tuesday. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I created this Halloween inspired nail design using Revel nail dip powders. So let's get right into the video. So I've already applied my tips and buffed my nails, and now I'm applying my Cherael Sky Bond to dehydrate my nails. If you don't have any bond, you can also use rubbing alcohol or acetone. They both do the same thing. Now I apply one layer of Revel Clear Dip Powder to my nails. This is done to build the nails and also to protect my natural nails from the color. This is also an optional step, but I like doing it. Starting on the index finger, I apply base to the whole nail and then I dip it into the black dip powder. I did a few layers to build the nail because I do not encapsulate my black nails. I like to build up the nails because I notice small bubbles on the nail when I encapsulate with clear. So I try to avoid that by building the nails with the black dip powder. I also did the same for my middle finger as well. Now on the ring finger, I'm using Voyage, which is this black glitter dip powder with some chunky purple and some fine blue glitter. This dip powder is really gorgeous. I did 2 layers of that on my nails. I'll have a clip of the nails in natural lighting so that you all could get a better look at the color of the glitter. And I also did the same for my pinky nail. Now, moving on to the thumbnail, I did a simple color block design, nothing fancy. I just wanted to do something very simple. If you're getting value from this video, hit the like button below and comment your thoughts on the design as well. And don't forget to subscribe to get the best tips and tricks for beautiful and fabulous nail designs at home. Then I encapsulated the ring, pinky and thumbnail with a few layers of the clear dip powder, but I only showed one layer. Now I apply activator to the nails, waited for it to harden, then began filing. This is after filing of the nails, and now I'm applying my Model 1's top coat to my nails. I use the shiny top coat for the glitter and the matte top coat for the other nails, and I cured for 30 seconds. Using my stamping plate, I'm doing this Halloween ghost on my middle finger. I wanted a simple Halloween design that wasn't all out there, wasn't too much. It was a subtle Halloween design. While waiting for the design to dry, I decided to do a French nail on the index finger where the tip was shiny and the nail bed was matte. Then I applied my matte top coat to seal in the stamping design, and I cured for 30 seconds. Ensure to let the top coat glide across the nail because it can still smudge even if you wait a while. I realized that it only happens with the matte top coat. The shiny top coat would be fine. So you can also just get a smudge free top coat as well, but I didn't have any of those, so I had to use my gel top coat. When the nails cool down, I apply some cuticle oil to rehydrate my skin and nails, and this is the finished look. So if you like this video, you're going to want to check out my other videos on dip powder. Click the videos you see on the screen and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Bye guys!